Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Medical Globe e-learning. This is Hafsa Mubin from Federal Medical and Dental College, and we are doing Unit 7 of Physiology. This unit is about respiration, and we are on Chapter 41. This chapter is about transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in blood and tissue fluids. First of all, table of specification. From this chapter in paper, there will be 1 SCQ and 8 MCQs. Now, coming to the first topic, this text is important for your MCQs, and the important MCQs are highlighted. The first topic is transport of oxygen from the lungs to the body tissue. This whole topic is important for your concept studies. These diagrams are representation of all the text underlined. You can just do these diagrams thoroughly and avoid the text reading, but it's up to you, whatever you choose. These diagrams are also indicating all the text underlined. This transport of oxygen, of increasing blood flow, interstitial, and this is all in the diagrams. Then these are also diagrammatic presentation of diffusion of oxygen and diffusion of carbon dioxide. Then the important highlighted text is showing important MCQs from the paper. You must have to do the MCQs, and you can neglect all the other texts. Then this is also a concept-based topic. Then this is MCQ. This is important SCQ, and it is a past UQ. Oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. This is the curve, and this is very important concept in this chapter. You must have to do this, and this can also be in the MCQ. Then this next topic is for your concepts. You just have to read this topic. Then next topic is important for your MCQ. These are the MCQs. Then this transport of oxygen increased during the exercise. This is also a conceptual study. You have to make the concept, read this once. Utilization coefficient is your important MCQ. Then this is important SCQ. Hemoglobin buffers the tissue oxygen. This topic is also important for MCQ basis, and important points are highlighted. These are highlighted texts are important for your written paper for SCQ. This is also important for your SCQ. Then the factors that shift the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. This is very important. These all factors, these are very, very important for your SCQ. Then increased delivery of oxygen. This is also important SCQ. Then this effect of BPG. This is important MCQ. Then the rightward shift of oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve is important for your SCQ. Then this metabolic use of oxygen by the cell. This topic is important for your concepts. You have to make the concepts by reading this all. This diagram is with this text, and it helps us in understanding this. Then this transport of oxygen in the dissolved state is also a conceptual topic. You just have to make the concepts. Then is the combination of hemoglobin with carbon monoxide. This is also important for SCQ for Viva questions. This is all highlighted text, is important for your memorization. Then very, very important topic of this chapter is the transport of carbon dioxide in blood. This whole topic is very important, and you have to make the important points, and I have highlighted all the important points as well. So you just have to go through the important highlighted texts. This is a past UQ. So start from here: chemical form, dissolved form, and this is the diagram. This is also showing the transport of carbon dioxide in blood. This is important topic for your SCQs. Then in the form of bicarbonate ion, effect of carbonic acid is important for your SCQ. Dissociation of carbonic acid into bicarbonate and hydrogen ion. This is important concept. You have to read this. Then transport of carbon dioxide in combination with hemoglobin. This is important for your SCQ point, and as well as for your MCQ. And this is another important MCQ of this topic. Then is next topic, carbon dioxide dissociation curve. This curve is very important for your SCQ, and this is the text related with that curves, so do them thoroughly. Next topic is important for your concepts. When oxygen binds with hemoglobin, carbon dioxide is released, the Haldane effect, and this is also a potential for SCQ, so I have highlighted the Haldane effect as a SCQ. Then is the respiratory exchange ratio. This topic is important for your concept basis. Just read them and make it. The last topic is important for your concepts. You just have to read this topic. That's all about chapter 41. This is very, very important chapter. For more details and MCQs practice, do consult Medical Globe Crack MCQs book. Stay tuned for more videos.
Medical Globe introduces its series of successful publications, MBBS Cracks, the benchmark of all, containing all the chapter-wise questions of prime importance, all annual and supply solved university questions, questions to ace your vivas, chapter polls, and of course, we have incorporated all the labeled and histologic and anatomic models in high resolution for your distinction level OSCE preparations. Medical Globe has also launched a gem in the medical world to master every concept for your multiple choice questions, the MCQ cracks encompassing UHS, NAMS, and many others, revealing the UHS MCQ rank, your practice MCQs, and topic-wise MCQs. Get your MCQ and MBBS cracks at your doorstep by placing your order at 0335 66 33007.